Hi guys! In this video I will show you how to make this smooth circular transition in After Effects. First, have your clips ready by pre-composing them and add a white solid above the clips. And trim the white solid layer 30 frames before and after from where the second clip is starting. Now add the effect called S_white circle to the white solid layer and do what I do. Now ease the keyframe and apply my graph. Now pre-compose the white solid layer and go to the starting frame of second clip and again add S_white circle effect. Change the white direction to circle out and copy my settings. Again, ease the keyframe and apply my graph.
I'm letting go a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing.
Now add Turbulent Displace effect to the white solid layer and copy my settings. Now add Deep Glow effect and copy my settings. You can change the color to whatever you like. Create an adjustment layer below the pre-composed white solid layer and apply your color correction. And this is the final result. Hope you guys liked the tutorial and see you in another video.